What's going on, guys? So it's kind of late once again, but I wanted to share something with you. I feel like I'm reliving my childhood. So I have an unboxing. It's kind of already open, but not open. So I'll show you real quick. So here we go. Look at that. Look at that. Let me get it out of this box. It's out the way. Check it out, guys. I remember around Christmas time wanting this thing so bad as a kid. And walking past it each time in a store, not being able to afford it. So I'm gonna get ready to finish opening it real quick. Now, of course, it is used. It's got the charger. It has the stand. It has the remote. I know you guys remember this. Look how small it is. The antenna for the remote. Instructions. And of course, the boat. And this is my first time actually opening this. I opened the box it came in, but not this. So I don't know what to expect. Oh man, it's got the battery. It came with the battery. I don't know if it's any good, but man. Trying to see if I can see a year on here. I don't see it right offhand. I don't want to pull that through. Try not to get too excited. Let me sit down. Ow. So check out this box. This is, and I remember these. So this used to be, these used to be up under the RC cars to control the turn, how sharp the car could turn. I remember these. Of course, I'm not familiar with this. Just say off. It's hard to move, so I don't know what's going on with that. It's moving, but I don't know if it's supposed to move further than that or not. So yeah, I'm just excited. Let me see. Clips on. It looked like a pen go through there. Let's get it on the stand. It's probably a horrible video, guys. But I just decided, I said, man, I might as well record opening this. Is this the right way? May not be the right way. Turn this guy around. Man, they look good too. It's got all the decals. I'm surprised. I want to power this thing up, see if it do anything. I know I should have back out. Once again, I'm sorry for the unprofessionalism of this camera. It's really my phone. Oh, this thing still got it. This is crazy. Pretty sure all this is dead. Oh God, it lit up. What? I want to do this, gotta need power to it. Let's see. I'm pretty sure it don't, but if the remote lit up. And I don't know if it's complete, but it looked like the battery just sit right there. Like I don't see nothing to strap the battery down. Hold up. Oh shoot, look. You see the red light? Boom. Oh, wow. Okay. Let me see. Turn this thing on. Nothing. Nothing. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna charge this battery. I remember being a kid, man, these batteries used to take like 4 hours. Look, 4 hours. Quick charge. So I'm gonna plug it up, keep an eye on it, make sure it don't blow up. And that's it. That's it. Now, I guess I could compare this to my Traxxas. So, you guys may like that. And I hate that I'm talking like this, but you know, it's other people in the house, some people trying to sleep. And then my face get close to the phone so the sound may be weird too. So, give me 1 second. So check out the sides. Check out the size difference between what I had, or not had, excuse me, what I wanted as a kid and what I got now. Look at the remote difference. Just want y'all to grasp that size difference. Still dope, still dope. So I'm gonna charge this up, see what it do. I wonder would it still float? It should still float if it flip over. I know this flipped over a couple of times and it floats. It don't sink, so, or it haven't sunk rather. So that's it, man. I just wanted to share this opening with y'all. Something from my childhood. I got more stuff, guys. I got more stuff I'll be sharing too. I got some more childhood stuff. So that's it, man. I appreciate you guys for stopping by. Later.